Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ferme-Neuve, Quebec, is a lovely town in the Laurentian region, about 2 hours north of Montreal. The name Ferme-Neuve means new farm, which gives us a hint about its history. This town has roots in farming, and it was founded in the early 20th century as settlers moved here, drawn by the fertile land and nearby forests. Ferme-Neuve is known for its beautiful natural surroundings, including mountains, forests, rivers, and lakes. It's located on the shores of the Rivière du Livre, or Hare River, which is perfect for fishing, boating, and enjoying the scenic views. One big attraction here is the Montagne du Diable, or Devil's Mountain. This mountain is a popular spot for hiking, biking, and even snowshoeing and skiing in the winter. It has trails that take you to stunning viewpoints, where you can see for miles around. If you're looking for an adventure, Ferme-Neuve is a gateway to the vast forests and lakes of Quebec's wilderness. Many people come here for the outdoor activities, especially in Papineau-Labelle Wildlife Reserve, where you can camp, canoe, and explore the amazing Canadian outdoors. Thank you for joining us as we explore this charming spot in Quebec. Let's enjoy the scenic views and natural beauty of Ferme-Neuve, Quebec.
Bye.